Good day guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. In today's video we'll be teaching you guys on how to upload fonts. How to import fonts into your Pixellab. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to have these two apps, which is number one is Z-Archiver. It's on Play Store, it's free to download. Z-Archiver. Z-Archiver. This is it. So it's free and you need your internet connection and also your Google Chrome. Doesn't mean Google Chrome, you can use any other website. So we use the Z-Archiver to unzip the fonts, and we use the Google Chrome to download the fonts. So the font site we'll be using today is DaFont. So let's click on DaFont.com. It's here. Oh, all right. Yes, we'll be downloading up to 2-3 fonts. Let's download this first. Let's click on download. But before we start downloading, let me show you the interface of this. As you can see here, the upward direction. Let me switch my phone to rotate screen. Yes, as you can see here, there's something they tagged fancy, and under the fancy you can see cartoon, comic, varieties of options there, and foreign, techno. This basic is serif and sans serif. I'm going to create a video on that will explain on how to identify serif and sans serif and different type of fonts and how to identify them. So script fonts, all these slanted type of fonts, you can download them on DaFont. Under it we have written, we have brush, we have gravity, a lot of them. So let's move down here to download the font. Let's download this one. The next thing you need to do is click on download. So it is downloaded, and let's look for another one. Let's download this blueberry day. So this is it. Now to import it into your Pixellab, you just need to click on the 3 dots here and go to your download. So this is the font, Senis and blueberry. So you click on Senis and it's taking you to your Z-Archiver. So we are having the two fonts, Senis Light and Senis the normal one. So you want to select the two. Instead of you clicking and want to select the two here. The thing you need to do is click on these 3 dots here. Click on it and you see add. You click on the check mark here. This mark, I select this. So this select all, invert, select, deselect. So let's click on select all, and this is the two This is the two fonts we have. So you click on the check mark here, you click on it, you click on upload, and you click on here. So the font is imported into your Pixellab that way. And let's go back. And the second one is Blueberry Days. So you click on Blueberry Days, it's going to direct you back to your Zeta Shiva. So this is it, Blueberry Days. And more thing is that once you see Blueberry Days without any other features and any other like thin semi-bold this stuff, just download one, because the fonts will just be double. It will be the same thing. TTF and OTF are the same thing when you want to use them on Pixellab. So I would advise you to just download one, because it will just be a duplicate. So I'm choosing anyone. So then I click on extract, then I click on this arrow, then it is successfully imported. So I'll go back to my Pixellab now. Sorry, this is my download, this is my Pixellab. Okay, blue, we extracted blueberry, yes, blueberry. So you come to your font, click on search here, and search for blueberry. This is it. So this is it guys. So the font is already applied on your text. So this is it, this is the blueberry. And the other one we download is sadness. So this is it. Come back to your Pixellab, and let's search sadness. So you click on next, and this is the font. So that's how to import font into your Pixellab. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. Comment on on anything you feel like I should upload in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.